Hi, this is Michael Beach with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. We've been talking about our core values. The last 4 sessions, we told you about delivering value, continuing to move forward, enjoying the journey while you work, and remembering how important it is to be nice. Today, I want to share with you the 5th and final core value that my company, Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting, stands for. It's as simple as this: be proactive. At our company, we anticipate what's coming next, and then what's going to happen after that, and then what's going to happen after that. We believe in leadership, and we believe in planning, and we believe in being prepared for everything. Every day of the week, every day of the year, every day of our lives. If you're ready and you're planning and you're prepared and you're proactive, you're going to have a lot of success. This is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.